Hey guys, by the way, the bumper looks really nice.
Alright, well, hey, thank you for watching this week's video. It's real short. Again, I'm keeping them short because we don't have the time to keep recording, stopping. I'm gonna be honest with you. What I will do eventually when everything is done is take another bumper and somebody wants me to make one and actually show you the process. So this is where we're at so far. We have the two pieces molded together. And right now, my exhaust is gonna come out here. License plate here. It's gonna bring the rear bumper down 2 inches lower than factory, which is most body kits. So that was the plan the whole time. Over here's the front bumper. We D.I.Y sanded everything down, make sure everything was holding. So now we just gotta get the U-Pole plastic bondo, plastic bumper bondo, smooth them up and get them ready for primer. And hopefully this week Jeremiah will strip the nasty plastic dip off of this so we can prep that for the paint also. But hey, thank you for watching again, and I'll catch y'all sometime later this week. Wheels getting mounted. Wheels getting mounted. Gonna be on the ground soon.